Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Brazil with this extended caipirinha recipe, the quintessential Brazilian cocktail that's as refreshing as it is simple to make. Caipirinha, Brazil's national drink, combines the tangy zest of lime with the sweetness of sugar, and the unique flavor of cachaça, a Brazilian spirit made from sugarcane juice. Ingredients: 1 lime, cut into 8 wedges, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Adjust to taste. 2 ounces of cachaça, crushed ice, additional lime wedge or slice for garnish. Instructions: 1. Prepare the lime. Start by thoroughly washing the lime. Cut it into wedges, ensuring to remove the white pith in the middle, which can add bitterness to the drink. 2. Muddle. Place the lime wedges and sugar into a sturdy glass. Use a muddler to crush the lime wedges gently, releasing the juice and blending it with the sugar. The goal is to dissolve the sugar while infusing the lime oil from the skin into the mixture, creating a fragrant base for your cocktail. 3. Add ice. Fill the glass with crushed ice, packing it well. The ice not only chills the drink but also helps to meld the flavors together as it melts. 4. Pour cachaça. Add the cachaça over the ice. Cachaça is the soul of the caipirinha, offering a robust and slightly sweet flavor that's unmistakably Brazilian. 5. Mix. Stir the mixture well to ensure the sugar, lime, and cachaça are thoroughly combined with the ice. The drink should be well chilled, then slightly diluted by the ice. 6. Garnish and serve. Garnish with an additional lime wedge or slice on the rim of the glass. Serve immediately and enjoy the burst of refreshing flavors. Serving suggestions: caipirinha is best enjoyed on a warm day or at a festive gathering. It pairs wonderfully with Brazilian appetizers or simply as a standalone refreshment. Embrace the lively spirit of Brazil with this extended caipirinha recipe, a cocktail that's both easy to make and irresistibly delicious. Each sip offers a taste of Brazilian joy, making it a beloved drink for celebrations or casual enjoyment.